So the first job to do with this Ranger rebuild is to take all the hatches off from in the boat. It's going to be resurfaced, recarpeted maybe, or re-EVA'd, I'm not sure yet, or EVA'd, I'm not sure yet. But take everything out. So that's the first fun part, is ripping everything out of the boat that's there, just so we can get somewhere nice and clean to start from. All right, so progress. Got all the front deck off, all the carpet and foam underlay. Got all the hatches off, front deck, the back deck. Got a fair bit of carpet off as well on the back. Still got a bit to go. As I say, Rome wasn't built in a day. Been at this for about 2.5 to 3 hours tonight. A bit more of a go at it, and we'll keep going. But over here, I've got all the hatches that have come off. So the carpet. Over bits and pieces, but definitely a process. But we'll get there. Keep watching, and we'll get the whole way through it. So I've finished doing taking the carpet off the lids and finished doing all the prep work. Next will be recarpeting the hatches. I decided to recarpet rather than EVA treaded or anything like that, because otherwise I'd end up with gaps between the lids, because the carpet wraps around the lids and the EVA sits on top. So after reading a few forums and what have you, I made that decision. Decided to go with this colour. It's like a sand or beach, I think it's called, and put some foam underlay underneath it, so that your back doesn't hurt quite so much and your feet don't hurt quite so much at the end of the day, having spent a bit of time on the boat. That'll be the next video. So if you like it so far, press like please, and subscribe. There'll be more fishing coming up as well. I'll be out testing this boat probably by the time you watch this. All right, see you all later. Bye.